Ever wondered what size your monitor really is without flipping it over or using a tape measure? In this video, I'll show you a simple way to find your exact screen size using nothing but a few commands. Let's start by pressing Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type CMD and click OK to open command prompt. The first step is to find your computer's name or model. Type WMIC, computer system. Get manufacturer. Model. You'll see something like this. This is your exact PC or laptop model. Highlight the model name and copy it by pressing Ctrl+C. The next step is to Google the PC model for official specs. Open your preferred web browser. At the address bar, paste the model name and type monitor size and press enter. You often find the exact monitor size in inches. To dive into details, click on the very first link suggested by the search engine. You would most likely be directed to your PC's official spec page or a third-party specs website. Scroll down to the specs and display section, and you would find more details like the display resolution, display type, and native aspect ratio. If you want to confirm the monitor model, you can now confidently set with your PC's model's name plus the size of your monitor to pinpoint the exact one. And there you have it, a quick, easy way to check your monitor size without ever having to guess. Now you can find your exact screen specs and make better decisions for working or gaming.